Can you really attract money into your life just by using the power of thought? According to the law of attraction, like attracts like. This means, if you sit around thinking I'm poor and need money, then you will continue to be poor and need money. By putting a more positive spin on the way you think, you will be able to attract exactly what you desire. One way you can use positive thoughts to attract money is to simply start to think about it more. Visualize yourself having more money and you will notice something start to change. You will notice that money seems to just fall into your lap. This is the law of attraction at work. By using positive thoughts and visualization techniques, you will attract exactly what you want. Be generous with the money you do have. Don't be stingy or cheap, or this will send out signals in the universe that you are poor and you will not be doing what you can to attract the money you want to attract. Give to charity often, give money to friends, and spend money as that is what it is meant for. The more you spend, the more you think about having money and the more you will get in the end. If you are wealthy but are afraid of losing your money, then you aren't really wealthy, are you? Appreciate what you do have. If you appreciate and respect the money you have now, it will quickly grow. Money allows you freedom, and when you know how to attract money, you will find that you inexplicably have more of it at any given time. By using the law of attraction and sending out the right signals to the universe, find article, you are not going to be disappointed with how the universe answers you. Attract money using the law of attraction. Here are the 2 simple truths. 1. Harmony. The first thing you need to know about this powerful law is that it works based on harmony. In other words, the law of attraction will draw to you what you are in harmony with. If you misunderstood how this law works, then you might have thought that you attract what you think about. The real truth is that you attract whatever is in harmony with what you think about. It is therefore wise to think about money in a very positive way if you want to attract more of it. Understanding this simple clarification will help you apply this law more effectively to your life. 2. Focus. The second and very powerful truth about attracting money with this law is the power of focus. The law relies heavily on what you focus on to bring things to you. What you focus on is what you give your energy, attention, and thought to. Whether it's good or bad. To be able to make use of this law effectively, you should pay attention to the aspects of the things that you want in your life. To attract money, you need to focus on money in a way that will make you feel good. That good feeling is a sign that you are focusing on the right aspects of what you want. Knowing these 2 simple truths will help you understand and apply the law more effectively to your financial life. Remember that you are already attracting everything that is coming into your life right now. Knowing these 2 powerful truths will help you attract, in a more deliberate manner. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.